Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Polkadot on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done once you've opened up the Binance application. Make sure you have your Binance account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. With a verified account, all you need to do is simply click on the deposit icon. Once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for USDT or any cryptocurrency of your choice. Any cryptocurrency you hold outside of Binance or inside of Binance can be used to buy the Polkadot by either depositing or converting that crypto. So if you were to deposit USDT here, you could end up converting the USDT into the dot. To do this, head over to the wallet section. Make sure you have deposited crypto on your Binance. That is, once you deposit a cryptocurrency, we could easily convert that crypto into the Polkadot token. Simply head over to the home section to do this. Click on the convert icon. And once you've selected the convert icon, where we have the spot wallet, click the spot wallet drop down and select the spots. As you can see here, click on dot and select USDT. Where we have converting to search for the DOT, that's the Polkadot. Click on max, click on preview conversion and simply click on convert. By doing this, we've successfully converted our USDT that we had deposited on Binance into the Polkadot tokens. So guys, another option of buying the Polkadot token is click on the more icon at the home screen. Once you selected the more icon, scroll till you find the sell to card feature. It's on the common functions. Click on sell to card. Once you've done this, select the Tron or dots. So click on dots. And now in order to buy the dot token, that's the Polkadot token, click on the buy icon at the top of the screen. Once you selected this buy icon, enter the amount you wish to buy in your native currency, of course. Click on buy minimum and click on buy dot. By doing this, you get to purchase your dot using your Visa card. You're giving a time limit to make the payments. All you need to do is simply click on confirm, and you then have to add your billing information, the card details. The money would then be taken out from your card, and the dot token would then be deposited in your wallet, which is 1.45 dots. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy dot on Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.